Michael Gambon, actor in the Harry Potter films, died at age 82 years old. Hi again and welcome, this is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Actor Michael Gambon, best known for playing his role in the Harry Potter movies, has passed away at age 82 years old. His passing falls on the heels of being diagnosed with pneumonia, a statement issued on the behalf of the family said on Thursday. "We are devastated to announce the loss of Sir Michael," the statement issued by his publicist Claire Dobbs, according to a PA. Beloved husband and father, Michael passed away in hospital with his wife Anne and son Fergus at his side. Following a bout of pneumonia, Michael was aged 82 years old. "We ask that you respect our privacy at this painful time and thank you for your messages and support and love." Michael was known for an extensive catalogue of work across TV, film and radio, with another of his biggest role in the 1980s in the hit series The Singing Detective. Michael was born in Cadbury, Dublin, but moved to London as a child. He grew up in an Irish immigrant community in Gambon, and his first job was an apprentice toolmaker. He developed a passion for antique guns, clocks, classic cars, and that lasted a lifetime. It wasn't until the 1980s that Michael became a household name, playing the lead character role in the movie Singing Detective. In 1990, he was appointed Commander of the Order of the British Empire. 8 years later, he was made the Knight Bachelor of the Service to Jarma. He won multiple actor awards, including the British Academy Television Award, and also was nominated for 2 Emmy Awards. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to send our heartfelt and sincere condolences.